Okay, so Swampy's been with me for a couple of years now, about 2.5 years. And when I first got her, there was a hell of a lot of stuff put on her by the previous owner that really I didn't want or need. And that included a couple of ammo boxes fitted like they were panniers. They looked pretty good, but the way they were mounted, they were always going to give me trouble. So I took them off. The one thing was that the wiring for the right rear indicator and the reversing light were both run through those panniers, and the lights were fitted to them. And of course, when I removed them, I was left with a bit of wiring and a reversing light that worked and an indicator that was about 3 shades worse than useless. So I had a spare indicator. People who own the Yamaha V-Star may recognise it as fitting the 650 Custom. And I reused the reversing light, but it wasn't up to scratch really. It didn't project enough light behind the bike, in my opinion, so that I could reverse in the dark without crashing into anything. So anyway, there's the new indicator. Here's the reversing light, and crimped up these cables. Now you may be concerned about possibility of water ingress. I was, but those cables inside there, the wires in there, have been totally dry in everything from a fine drizzle to a tropical downpour. So that's where they're staying until they prove otherwise.